Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another video. In this video, I will be reviewing the Evergreen Wealth Formula 2.0. Alright, now this is a program that's been around for quite some time. I think 2013, 2014 it's been around since. And overall, this is not a bad program. I'm going to go over the pros, I'm going to go over the cons, and I'm going to go over a better alternative to this program. So right off the bat, there's a video right here with the person who created it, and this person actually does all the customer support by himself, which is really neat. A lot of people in affiliate marketing basically will outsource that to someone else, to a freelancer to do it for them, and I think it's really cool that he does it himself. As you can see right off the top, yes, you can automate your entire income and finally start generating sales today. Then how to quickly scale up your income to whatever level you desire. Don't believe me? Then let me back up everything with rock solid proof here. Then he lists some steps. Step 1, you'll discover how to set everything up quickly and easily with easy to follow step-by-step video tutorials. You will also get all the tools and content free, so there's no content creation required. In step 2, you'll see how to set up your automated traffic streams in minutes. This is easy to do, brings in fast results, and runs on complete autopilot, freeing up time to work on growing your income instead of maintaining it. And number 3 is scale. Want more traffic and sales? No problem. You can easily scale up by adding more automated traffic streams in just minutes. Expect traffic and sales to grow each time you implement this. And then it has a time to complete. This is between 1 and 48 hours. This is 20 minutes, and this is 5 minutes. 5 reasons why there's nothing else quite like the Evergreen Wealth Formula 2.0 on the market. He basically will show some screenshots of traffic streams, never worry about traffic again, zero content creation, beginner friendly. I'll be honest with you, the Evergreen Wealth Formula 2.0 is a big course. However, you'll have no problem setting up and profiting from the system. Why? Because even though the Evergreen Wealth Formula 2.0 is a complete A to Z money-making system for advanced marketers, I've designed it for beginners in mind. You'll be taken from start to finish with easy to follow step-by-step video tutorials that anyone, regardless of experience, can implement and profit from. Need support. This is what I was talking about before. He does that all himself. Even though I've made the Evergreen Wealth Formula 2.0 as easy to implement and get results from, I want you to know I've totally got your back. This is because when you order the Evergreen Wealth Formula 2.0, you also get a free one-on-one email support with me personally, James Scholes, the creator, for life. All right. So quite some good stuff right off the bat. Overall, this is not a bad program. It will teach you a lot, but I do have a couple critiques of it, okay? And I'm going to go through those right now. Number 1, the price. This program is just under $200, okay? I don't typically recommend people paying more than $100 for a program, all right? Even if it's a good program, which this is an okay program, it's pretty good, but I have a better alternative, okay? Number 2, for cons. So number 1 is the price. I don't think most people want to be paying close to $200 for a program. Number 2 is he doesn't really he focuses a lot on money making, which is great, and how to do free social media traffic, but he doesn't really talk about paid traffic at all, which I think a good program, a program that is almost $200 should be doing. If you're going to charge $200 for a program, you should be teaching people how to do paid traffic and free traffic, because from my experience with affiliate marketing, you need a good source of both. You need to be able to know how to run ads, and you need to know how to do SEO and get free traffic coming into your affiliate links. So there is that. For $200, I don't think only teaching one side of the coin is really fair, okay? Number 3, my third problem with this course is he does hype it up a little bit too much, in the sense that he makes it seem a little bit too easy because he doesn't focus on mindset too much. I think, again, for $200, a course should be focusing on the specifics of how to make money, the mindset, a lot of different things, not just one thing, okay? Overall, this is not a bad course. I would give it 3 out of 5 stars. It is a bit too pricey for something like that I could recommend. However, I do have a great alternative for you. Using my link below, I have a link down in the description to a much more affordable affiliate marketing program that will teach you everything this does and then some, Link down below in the description. I have a program, a course there that will really teach you how to make money, work from home, live that internet lifestyle so you don't have to go in 9 to 5, how to scale it, how to start it, how to maintain it, everything you need to know, guys, everything you need to know. Link in the description. It is much more affordable than the Evergreen Wealth Formula 2.0, and I think you'll have much better, I know you'll have much better results using the course I have down in the description bar, and I will pin it in the comment section for you. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it. I'll catch you next time. Stay safe and have a great day. Dash app allows you to earn free money cash back simply by downloading the app and linking your card. Use my link below in the description and the comment section, and you will earn a bonus for sign up. Use my link below and you will earn a bonus for sign up.